Hi everyone, I am Swapna. In previous video, we have seen Apex syntax, program execution and debugging. In this video, we will see writing first Visualforce program, syntax, program execution and debugging. We teach programming step by step from basic level to advanced level. We will show debugging steps to make you understand and write code easily. In our live sessions, we will explain complete debugging steps. We will make you perfect in writing coding. So no need to fear about coding. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and comment. We have our complete demo video posted in demo playlist. Please watch and give your feedback. Let's move on to our topic. We have a 4 Salesforce courses. Salesforce Consulting Administration 45 sessions, Salesforce Development 45 sessions, Salesforce Lightning 45 sessions, Salesforce Integration 30 sessions. In Salesforce Development course, we cover Apex, Salesforce Object Query Language, Salesforce Object Search Language, and Visualforce. So let's see Visualforce. Visualforce is a framework. It is a framework. It is used to design and develop web pages. Visualforce allows the developer to build user interface. User interface is nothing but front end. Visualforce is a tag-based markup language similar to HTML. Code is written between tags. Tag is nothing but less than, greater than. This is called tag. If you want to display text in web page with few sentences, need to use paragraph tag. So between the less than and greater than, you have to write a P. So this is called paragraph. We need to use paragraph tag. It should start with open paragraph tag and closure paragraph tag. So for closure, there is a slash here before the P. We can also perform basic database operation to retrieve and save record in database. Visualforce is used to design and develop basic page structure, forms, and display text. Let's see page example, Visualforce page example. This is a Salesforce standard page layout. We can develop same page with the header, tab bar, sidebar, main page using the Visualforce. Using Visualforce, we can also implement a form shown in the image. This is a form. We can implement form shown in the image with save and cancel button. Text as well can be displayed. Let's see Visualforce page tag. To develop a Visualforce page, we can use tags inside the Visualforce page. So Visualforce page tag, we can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is nothing but used to design forms, display text, implement page structure. CSS is used to implement look and feel application. JavaScript is used to implement user experience, pass parameters, show pop-ups, confirm messages. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript can be used within the open Apex page and close Apex page tag. Close Apex page tag. So let's see Apex page tag. Visualforce pages are implemented by using tags. Every Visualforce pages are implemented by tags. Visualforce page code starts with open apex page and closer apex page. Open apex page and closer apex page. Open apex page and closer apex page tag represent single Visualforce page. So any Visualforce program we are writing by default, it will Visualforce page open with open apex colon page and close apex colon page. Visualforce is a markup language. We must use open and close tags. Next Visualforce tag is apex form. Apex form allows the user to enter input. Apex form has open apex form and closure apex form. It allows the user to enter the input. And apex form is defined within the apex page. Apex form is defined within the apex page. And apex form, we can write block within the apex form. We can write block. Block is nothing but it is used to divide the page. It is used to divide the page. Button is used to create a save, cancel, submit button. Link, it is used to display page link, website link. Paragraph, it is used to display text. Next tag is paragraph. Paragraph is, it is always starts with new line and it is usually a block of text. So to implement a paragraph, we have to use HTML tag called paragraph. This is called as a paragraph tag. Paragraph may be written either within the apex form or outside of the apex form. Within the apex form, we can write the paragraph, or outside of the apex form also we can write the paragraph. In case if we are writing paragraph outside of the apex form, then paragraph should be within the apex page. It must be within the apex page. So example, here paragraph is written outside of the apex form. Paragraph is written within the apex form. If it is outside of the paragraph, if it is outside of the apex form, then paragraph must be within the apex page. So the output is paragraph outside of the apex form, paragraph within the apex form. Next Visualforce tag is button. Button is used to create button on Visualforce page. Example, save, submit, cancel. In order to implement button on the Visualforce page, we have to use apex colon command button tag. Apex colon command button should be inside the apex form. It should be always inside the apex form. We cannot use apex colon command button outside of the apex form. Example. So first tag is apex page, apex colon page, and within that we have a apex colon form. And apex colon command button should be always inside the apex form. We cannot write outside of the apex form. So the output is button, and whatever the value is given here, that the same value will be displayed on top of the button. So in conclusion, to design and develop a basic Visualforce page, Basic Visualforce page need to start with 4 main tags. There are many Visualforce tags we will see in our live classes. For now, for basic Visualforce page, need to start with 4 main tags. Page, within that form, within that paragraph, within that button. So as shown in the image, first tag is apex page. Inside that apex form. Second tag is apex form. Inside that paragraph, command button. Third tag is paragraph. Paragraph tag can be inside apex form or it can be outside of the apex form, but it must be inside the apex page. Fourth tag is apex command button. It should be used within the apex form. It should be used within the apex form as shown in the image. Visualforce program can be written using the developer console or Visual Studio. For now, we are going to use the developer console. So what is the developer console? Developer console is an integrated development environment with a collection of tools. Those can be used to create, debug, and test application. Navigation steps to open the developer console is log into Salesforce Lightning application, click on a setup, click on a developer console. As shown in the image, first step is log into Salesforce Lightning application with your credentials, click on a setup, and then click on a developer console. Writing a Visualforce program. What are the navigation steps to write a Visualforce program? Log into Salesforce Lightning application, click on setup, click on developer console, click on file, and click on new. Inside the file and inside new, click on a Visualforce page. Once we click on Visualforce page, there is a pop-up box will come to enter a box will be displayed to enter Visualforce page name. So enter Visualforce page name and click on OK. Let's see syntax of the Visualforce. So first tag is apex page. Inside that apex form. Second tag is apex form. Inside that paragraph and command button. Right? So first tag is apex page. Inside that apex form. So second tag is apex form. Inside that paragraph and command button. Third tag is paragraph. Paragraph tag can be inside the apex form or can be outside of the apex form. If it is outside of the apex form, should be inside the apex page. Fourth tag is apex command button. Action, value are used here. Action and value are attributes of apex command button. Action should start with curly braces, exclamation, and ends with curly braces. Value is display the given value for the button. It's shown on the button. So there are many other attributes inside in apex command button. So those will be discussed in our live session. Let's see the sample program. So for sample program, let's go to the Salesforce. Just a second. So let's go to the Salesforce. This is a Salesforce Lightning application. I have logged in. Click on a setup, click on a developer console. Once the developer console is open, click on file, new, and Visualforce page and enter the Visualforce page name. Assume that this is a paragraph. We are writing paragraph test. Click on OK. As soon as created, as soon as the Visualforce program is created, by default, it will display with open apex colon page and close apex colon page. So every Visualforce program starts with open apex colon page and ends with apex colon page. So apex colon page is first tag. First tag is apex colon page. Inside that apex colon form. Inside that apex colon form. So apex colon form is second tag. Inside that paragraph and apex colon command button. Paragraph, the third tag is paragraph. Paragraph can be outside of the apex form or inside of the apex form. If paragraph is outside of the apex form, that should be within the apex page. So let's write Visualforce program paragraph is outside of apex colon form. Apex colon form. And here we will write Visualforce program paragraph is inside of apex colon form. Third tag is paragraph. Fourth tag is apex colon command button, action, and value. We have used it. Action and value are attributes. There are many other attributes we will see in our live session. Action should start with curly braces, open curly braces, and exclamation end with curly braces. And inside that, we can use Salesforce standard button name. Value is display the given value for the button. This name is shown on button. Right? Now let's click on save. Okay, it's saved. So this is how we write the program. So let's go here, sample program. So first tag is apex colon page. Inside that apex colon form. Second tag is apex colon form. Inside that paragraph command button. So third tag is paragraph. Paragraph can be within the apex colon form, can be outside of the apex colon form. If it is outside of the apex colon form, should be inside the apex colon page. And fourth tag is apex colon command button, action and value are attributes. There are many other attributes we will see in our live sessions. Action always starts with open curly braces, exclamation, and ends with closing curly braces. The name of the Salesforce standard button, And the value here, what are the value is given here, it will be displayed on button. Now, next step is, once we have written the program, we need to execute the program. In order to execute the program, the navigation steps are open developer console, open Visualforce page, click on a preview button. So this is the preview button on the Visualforce program. So let's go to the developer console. We are in developer console, open the Visualforce program, and here is the preview button. Click on a preview button. So as soon as we click on preview button, it will display the output. So Visualforce program paragraph is outside of Apex colon form. Visualforce program paragraph is inside of Apex program. And this is the save button. The name here, save, is displayed. This is the value name. What are the value name that we have given? That's the same value name, save. Okay, so that is the program execution. Here, when we click on preview, this is the output. Debug logs. So let me go to the Salesforce. So let me delete this. Okay, there are nothing. Click on new. And username. Select your user. Here my user is Maria Jonas. How to identify your user? Click on this view profile. Here it shows the username. And the time, this is fine for me, debug log. You can create a new debug log, or you can use this existing one. I'm using the existing one. Click on the save button. Fine. So debug log is enabled for me. So let's go to the developer console. Click on a preview. Now the logs must be generated. Let's refresh. Scroll down, click on view on the debug log. Perfect. So this is the log. So right now there is this log is generated for the Visualforce program VF underscore paragraph test. And execution started here. Code unit started and it generated the metadata. And then if you scroll down, there is nothing much in the Visualforce page. And then it is ended here. The execution finished. So this is a step-by-step. In our live sessions, we will see step-by-step debugging steps. So what is the debug log? Debug log is, it is helpful to understand. It is helpful to understand line by line execution of the program. It is used to resolve the bugs in code. Resolve the bugs in code. So here, if you have taken, this is the execution started and it generated the metadata, execution finished. So how the execution happens in the code? So assume that this is the program. First cursor will go to the Apex page and then the cursor will go to the Apex form and then it will go to the paragraph and command button. So that's how the execution will happen. Okay, so in our live session, live classes, we will explain complete debugging steps. We will make you perfect in writing codes. So no need to fear about coding. Thank you so much. In our next video, we will see Lightning Aura program and debugging steps. Thank you.